Air shower control panel operation. Switch on main power supply. In normal condition, both doors are closed. The door closed status is shown by red LED. Please press door switch to open the entry door. As the door opens, the person will enter in the shower. The shower process begins for select time as the door is closed. After shower is completed for selected time, the exit door opens automatically. Now the person can go outside the production area. After the exit door is closed, the air shower cycle is completed. In emergency case, both the entry and exit door remains open.